I hereby issue the following orders. 1. The petitioner applicant to obtain his emergency travel document from the Kenya High Commission, Ottawa, Canada, or the Kenya High Commission, Berlin, Germany, or from wherever he is within 72 hours. The fourth respondent must ensure this order is complied with. 2. Once in possession of the emergency travel document, the latter should allow the petitioner applicants to board the available flights to Kenya with immediate effect. 3. Upon landing in Kenya, the petitioner applicant to be allowed by the immigration officer to use his Kenyan identity card for purposes of identification. 4. The petitioner applicant, upon entry in Kenya, should immediately apply for a Kenyan passport, and the same to be issued to him within 7 days of such application, provided there is compliance with all the requirements. 5. Save for the above orders, any other prayers sought in the notice of motion dated 15th November are declined. There shall be no order as to costs.
Thank you,
So you can get copies of the ruling maybe later in the afternoon, but the orders will be extracted.